What's going on, everyone? Sam Luca here with your Tuesday, February 12th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Today is a day for snow. The forecast is predicting 5 to 8 inches of snowfall in the next 24 hours. It's looking like that's going to start coming down around mid-afternoon today. You come down here and get your runs in early before the snow piles up on the roads. Right now it's cloudy and about 15 degrees. We have about 2 to 5 mile per hour winds, and we're looking at a high of about 25 in the afternoon today. This Thursday is Valentine's Day. We're gonna have special discounted prices on lift tickets from 7 to 10 p.m. You can find more information and the code for your discount at the Wachusett.com website. Today we have 25 open trails and 5 lifts running. The snow conditions are machine groomed and loose granular snow. Make sure to always check in with the daily snow reports for the latest updates on the mountain's conditions, and check in on all our social media for all other updates regarding the mountain. I'm Sam Luca, your snow reporter. See you guys on the slopes.